Hey guys, we're here at Disneyland. Every year, you know, they always bring the most amazingly wicked treats. We're going to show you the top 3 treats that you absolutely have to try when you come here for Halloween season. It wouldn't be a holiday trip to DCA without stopping by Schmoozies and picking up one of their wicked awesome milkshakes. And for Halloween this year, they have got one of 2 between the poison apple shake and this bad boy, the Mickey Mummy shake. It's a chocolate shake with chocolate shavings, black and orange M&Ms, absolutely awesome, and Oreos to provide the ears, and so it's like the ultimate Halloween drink. Oh, it's rich. That's really chocolatey. Like really rich and chocolatey. So if you're a big chocolate shake fan, you're gonna absolutely love this. But if you're just a fan of any milkshake, you're also gonna absolutely love this. I like to have my shakes really have a lot of like real intense flavor for the flavor that they're gonna have. And you really taste the chocolate in it, which is really, really good. Absolute 100%, 10 out of 10. Must get this if you're here for Halloween.
It's pretty, I wanna try it.
It's pretty and it's super chocolatey. I think you're gonna be wowed by how chocolatey this is.
Oh my gosh, that's good. Okay, I was expecting it to taste kind of like a Frosty from Wendy's, if that makes sense to you. Like a little chocolatey, but this is like Hershey chocolate in liquid form. Andrew's right, this is 100% must get this Halloween. It is delicious and it's adorable and perfect for those Instagram photos.
If you don't like things overly sweet, you may be the only people that don't like this thing, but for most of you chocolate haulers or sugar haulers, you're gonna love this thing. I'm gonna go drink the rest of it now. Hey, we're at Mint Julep and we're gonna do another must-do Halloween treat, the pumpkin spice beignets. They always have something seasonal for any time of the year. They always have different beignets for it.
They smell fantastic. It smells like apple pie. I know it's pumpkin pie, but it smells like apple pie and it smells amazing. I already am in love with normal beignets, so I'm very excited for these. That's good. Honestly, I don't taste too much pumpkin spice. It just tastes like a regular beignet with cinnamon, or like a cinnamon powdered donut, but it's still really good. And like I said, I love the regular beignets, so this is definitely a win for me. I remember we tried, I think it was lemon, and I didn't like the lemon beignet because it didn't taste like a regular beignet. You didn't get much of the powdered sugar flavor. The lemon kind of overpowered it. But this one, you get the normal powdered sugar perfection, and it is really good. I would 100% say this is a must-try treat for this Halloween season.
The beignet itself tastes like the normal beignets, but you do get a hint of that pumpkin spice in there. If it's not your flavor, then you probably won't like it, but if you do like pumpkin spice or pumpkin flavored things, you'll like it. It's pretty subtle, so it's not overpowering. It's just basically your normal beignet with a little bit of a hint of pumpkin. I would definitely say it's a must-get for everyone in the family because it's not too strong. Okay, so I'm standing outside Harbour Galley, and for Halloween this year, they've got the new pumpkin cookies. We got the 13-pack, and I can't wait to try these. This comes with a cream cheese icing. All right, Christina's gonna hold the sauce because I don't have any hands to hold that, so we're gonna try it right here. Arms away. That's good. Like typical Harbour Galley, warm and gooey, really, really nice. Not overpowering, but you taste that pumpkin, but it's not overpowering, which is really nice. Yeah, definitely recommend getting.
I would say these are definite try if you want a Halloween dessert. They're very good, but you have to get the sauce, because other than that, it's still really good, but it's kind of just like a Starbucks cookie. Yes, it's warm, so it's like definitely fancy, but like the sauce really makes it, for me, it kind of enhances it a lot. Otherwise, it's just a tiny little cookie, but it's still really good, and honestly, this is a go-to. 100% need to get on the trip. I was just here sitting on this bench waiting for Andrew to go get a treat we're gonna do a food review for. You know, the bench right here, middle of Main Street, and Kiwi right here is dressed as Rocket, is just laying on the bench beside me, and some plaid walked by and started laughing hysterically because they thought that he was a chihuahua that I snuck in here. Funny? It's the weirdest thing.
Okay, so we've been watching people walk around eating these all day long, and it's called the Cookie Croissant from Maurice's Treat Cart. It's basically just a plain butter croissant with sugar all over it. I'm gonna give it a bite and see what happens. So it basically just tastes like a croissant flavored cookie. It's okay. It's a decent snack, but it's nothing special.
So I'm the one who really wanted this because it just looks fantastic. I thought it was like pumpkin spice something, and I kept seeing people with it. I was like, oh, sugar, I want it. I'm gonna try it. It's not everything I hoped and dreamed, but it's still pretty good. I think Andrew's wrong. I'd still get it, but it is like just a flattened croissant with sugar.
But it's really good. It tastes like those kind of like pretzel-y things. I'm just gonna insert a photo because I have no idea what they're called and I'm totally butchering it, but it tastes just like that. I actually think it's pretty good and I'd say it's worth getting. Next up, we have the Mickey Sugar Cookie. It's this super cute design, although it's clearly Minnie because there's a bow right here. It has the most beautiful design, so it has to be on the list because who can go wrong with a Disney sugar cookie? They're the best. I'll react to the beautiful design and let you know how it tastes. Any day you have a Disney sugar cookie is going to be a good day. There's not much to say about this other than they're delicious, they're amazing, and it's gorgeous. So it has to go on the list and you gotta try it.